Welcome back to the KOM Morning News. It is a Wednesday tradition. We call it a Wildcat Wednesday. And this morning we're fortunate enough to be joined by Francis Graves of the K-State Extension District. Francis is the Director and Community Vitality Agent. Francis, number one, thank you for your time. It's great to see you once again, albeit not in studio, but it's wonderful to see you because I know all the hard work that you put into this this virtual auction that actually begins this morning. Now, the thing that I'm always amazed about what you're able to do through the Wildcat District is raise these funds. And if you could explain to people the importance of taking part in this benefit.
Absolutely. Thank you, Michael. So this foundation is sort of our nonprofit arm of the Wildcat Research and Extension District, and funds raised this year will help support all of the different programming areas. So any speakers we bring in for our ag producers, an event we might have for our 4-H and general youth population in our 4 counties, community vitality efforts, and family and nutrition health type of topics. These funds will help support those. It's a local source of granting that our agents can go to ask for assistance to bring in a speaker or pay for registration fees, programming materials for people to take a course and not have to pay out-of-pocket costs, as well as some larger projects hopefully down the line.
And for all of you watching at home right now, let's remember this all eventually trickles down to the youth of our 4 states and how it helps them. It's benefitbidding.com/wildcat. Benefitbidding.com/wildcat. Now, Francis, I know it starts today. We're early in the morning right now. What time are you going to open up bids?
Bids open to 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So with that being said, now I'm chomping at the bit, wondering what you have available to bid on. And I'm going to start with a 4-state staple, especially when it comes to Southeast Kansas. A fried chicken tour?
That's right. We have gift certificates to all 6 of the fried chicken restaurants in Crawford County. So that's all bundled together as a tour. And if you don't already have a favorite, it's a great way to do some important research.
It's amazing how many vendors and businesses have come together to help the Wildcat District here. And, you know, a lot of people don't realize, we've been doing a staycation series here, and you've got tourism experiences that people can also bid on.
That's been my favorite part from a community vitality perspective, for sure. I love getting to promote some of the cool places that we have in our local area. So we've got, the former Army ammunition plant in Parsons has opened up a private tour to see some of the history of that property and the new things with the rail yard going on, as well as a fishing experience on their pristine lake there that they have with Kansas Department of Wildlife and Parks. We've got some of the breweries have opened up in our area to do a tour and learn how to make beer and do some tasting. We have the Independence Zoo, which is a place I love in our district, and that you can get a backstage pass with the zookeeper to see what goes on at that place. So we've got so many places, so many neat things in Southeast Kansas, and people have donated these experiences. These are definitely some of my favorite items.
Francis, thank you so much for your time. Once again, hey, folks, the online auction, it starts in a matter of hours, if not minutes, depending where you are. All right, we're going to open this up. Benefitbidding.com/wildcats. Francis Graves, Director of Community and Vitality Agent for the Wildcat District. Francis, thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful morning.
Thank you, Michael.
All right, we'll be back with more KOM Morning News right after this.